Hey you guys, it's Haley, and today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial using the Bare Minerals Original Liquid Mineral Concealer, which is one of my absolute favorites. I love this formula because it's a clean, vegan formula. It's super lightweight, and you can build it up, keep it super light. So what I like to do is just do 1, 2, 3 under the eyes. Just tap it into the skin. I like to use my finger, especially in the under eye area, because it's very sensitive. The skin's really thin there, but you could use a blender or a brush. I also tend to get a little bit of redness in my cheeks here and here, so I might add the tiniest bit more. And this concealer stays so nice all day. It doesn't crease. It stays right in one spot. I love how lightweight and blendable this formula is. And there you have it. That is my go-to quick and easy concealer tutorial. Make sure you pick this up. It is epic.